Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to create your Sendwave account in 2025. If you're looking to send money internationally quickly and securely, Sendwave is a fantastic app to have. Whether you're supporting family abroad or handling personal finances, getting set up is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to download the Sendwave app. Head over to the App Store if you're on iOS or the Google Play Store for Android. Search for Sendwave and hit download. Once it's installed, open the app, and you'll see a welcoming screen with options to log in or sign up. Since you're new, tap on Sign Up or Create Account. Next, enter your phone number or email address. This is how Sendwave will verify your identity, so make sure it's a valid one you'll have access to. After that, you'll receive a verification code via text or email. Go ahead and enter it to confirm. Now, it's time to fill in your personal details. You'll need to provide your full name, date of birth, and possibly your address. Don't worry, Sendwave uses top-notch security to protect your information. Once your profile is set up, you might be prompted to add a payment method, like linking your bank account or debit card. This step is crucial for sending money later, so double-check everything for accuracy. If you're in a region that requires additional verification, like ID upload, follow the prompts. It's quick and ensures compliance with regulations. A quick tip: choose a strong password and enable two-factor authentication if available to keep your account extra secure. And remember, the app might have slight updates in 2025, so keep it updated for the best experience. There you go, you've now successfully created your Sendwave account. Start exploring the app and send your first transfer today. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.